everybody, I'm Sophia. Once upon a time, I was a kid who dreamed about being just like my babysitter, Lexi. But now I'm doing the babysitting. And while Lexi is away at college, I promised her that I would be there for you guys with all the advice, support, and remote hugs you need to be the best babysitter on the block. Who knows, when I go to college, maybe you'll be the next babysitter boss. So today, I'm answering questions from you, fellow babysitters. Let's get started. Gianna from Michigan asks, how old do I have to be to babysit? Good question, Gianna. There's no exact age when you're ready to babysit. Some kids are ready at 12, others don't start babysitting until they're 16. The important thing is that you're mature enough to understand the responsibility you're taking on, you've taken a babysitting class like Safe Sitter, and you have some experience staying home alone or watching younger siblings. Mason from Oklahoma asks, do I have to like kids? Mason, I'm not gonna lie. If you don't like kids, you're not going to like babysitting. Think about it. You want your teachers and coaches to like being around you, right? Well, the kids that need babysitters want babysitters that like them too. And you don't want to spend your free evenings doing something that you hate. If you don't like kids, there are other jobs you could do for family, friends, and neighbors, like pet sitting, house sitting, mowing lawns. The possibilities are endless. Tisha from New York asks, do I need a babysitting resume? Tisha, that's a great question. But you don't need one. It is a fun idea to create one, and it might help you get more babysitting jobs. Safe Sitter has a fun babysitting resume generator on their website that's easy peasy. Just go to safesitter.org and click on Students and Parents. Then, under Students, select Student Resources and look for the article on creating a resume. Josh from Oregon asks, what if I mess up? Josh, I can guarantee you're going to mess up. You know why? Because you're human. We all mess up sometimes, but it's understandable to be worried about something going wrong. Babysitting is a big responsibility. You definitely need to be prepared and do what you can to prevent things like safety problems or injuries. That's why it's so helpful to take a babysitting class. Babysitters are like bodyguards that are there to prevent problems and protect the children. And a class like Safe Sitter teaches you how to do this. They also teach you what to do if something goes wrong. You'll learn how to call 911, basic first aid for kids, even rescue skills like choking rescue and CPR. Emma from California asks, what if someone breaks into the house? Emma, this question comes up a lot. Not because it happens, break-ins during babysitting are extremely rare, but because it sounds terrifying. And if you're like me, you spend your free moments thinking about terrifying situations that'll probably never happen. Maybe I should stop watching so many horror movies. Okay, it's rare. What if it does happen? First, prevent problems by keeping doors and windows locked and lights on inside and out. Second, don't open the door to anyone unless you're expecting someone, like a pizza delivery, and have checked the peephole or side window to confirm it's them. If anyone else knocks on the door, just ignore them. Finally, call 911 if someone is trying to get in or if there is a persistent visitor that won't go away. Leave confrontation to the professionals. You guys, those were great questions. If you have a question we didn't get to, post it in the comments below, and we'll try to include it in a future episode. Or email it to us at babysitterboss@safesitter.org. And don't forget to check out babysitterboss.com for more tips or to find a Safe Sitter class near you.